So Bitcoin Cash, will it hit 500 and, well, let's say, can it hit $600, $680, or will it crash to 440? What do you guys think? Let's talk about it, because currently the market's bullish. I mean, we did a price prediction of Bitcoin Cash a while ago, and I was telling you all then, hey, look for Bitcoin Cash to go up, and it had exceeded our price prediction right here on November the 21st, just yesterday. The market hit our ultimate TP price, ran all the way up to a high of $536.98. A very good price prediction there. Will the market continue to go up? I mean, let's talk about it. Let's break it down. Let's get rid of this price prediction. Let's get rid of this seller's pocket. And now the buyers are trying to chip away at these sellers in this pocket right there. That's what they're trying to do. Will they be successful? We'll see. Now, currently, the thesis that we're going to go with is that Bitcoin Cash still is bullish, right? But I want to emphasize how important this pocket is into the market for Bitcoin Cash. Yes, it was great momentum, taking the price of Bitcoin Cash on the low of this particular price bar, $280, running all the way up to $525. But then you come and say, well, the last time we saw price of Bitcoin Cash come to $500, $510 was back in June of this year. And look what happened to the price action at that moment. What happened? Well, the market in Bitcoin Cash began to go down. Will we see the same thing occur into the market for Bitcoin Cash? That is something that we need to speak about right now. So let's go ahead and look at the market in Bitcoin Cash on a different time frame real quick. Okay. Let's look at this on the 3. Just trying to get a feel, from a longer term chart, how does the market look in terms of bullishness, if that's a word. Here it is on the 4. Okay, so you can see on the 3 and the 4 that the market is currently closing off those highs. That tells us that there's sellers hitting the market. That tells us that there's someone trying to take profit in Bitcoin Cash. Look at the volume as well too. Okay, we got 11 hours and 59 minutes left. A lot of volume is coming through on this 3-day price bar. Here it is on the 4. Bitcoin Cash on the 5. Again, all these time frames, you can see it. What is going on in the market? Well, someone is trying to sell. Like I told you, the people who bought at 280, they're like, I double my money. Let me go ahead and sell it now. So now they're becoming the seller. They were buyers back in August, June time frame, and now they're sellers in order to take the profit. Here it is on the weekly. Bitcoin Cash on the 2 and on the 3. Here it is on the monthly chart. So 8 more days, 12 hours. We look pretty good right now in Bitcoin Cash right there. Okay, we're getting an indication of strength on the monthly chart, but I got to put this on pause because this seller's pocket is still powerful. Like, look at what happened the last couple of months in May and June. The buyers could not even take the pocket out. Like, they couldn't even take the sellers out in this pocket. So we're back at it again, square one. Will the buyers be successful this time? Okay, because you can see it right here on the 330-minute chart that the market here in Bitcoin Cash is trying to do it now. This is a pocket now on the 330-minute chart of buyers right here. Okay, just like this is a pocket, just like this area is a pocket. These 3 buyers' pocket needs to be maintained, and we don't want to see price fall below it, because if it does, then we need to play that price is going to go lower in Bitcoin Cash. It is on the 5 hour. Okay, I really like when you saw all this volume come in market in Bitcoin Cash on the 5 hour chart, that the market broke out and went higher, and now it's trying to hold price. This is a very strong 5 hour bar right there. Okay, that's very strong. So I don't think the market is finished with going up, but it may take some while because there's a lot of people here in Bitcoin Cash trying to sell it. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to play the idea again that Bitcoin Cash is going to go up. Okay, this is our second buyer's pocket that we do not want to see price fall. I would like to see price hold that first pocket though. If that happens, then it's going to be a bigger breakout. But if the market doesn't hold this buyer's pocket and we come down to the second, then we may just have to take our profit when the market tries to hit this seller's pocket again another time. Okay, so let me zoom out a little bit, and we're going to try to break down and create another pocket into the market for Bitcoin Cash. So let's create this area right here as a pocket of sellers. And then let's do maybe one more. Okay, so we got that. And now we're going to go back to where we were at today, put on the daily, and we're going to place these targets, okay? So the first target is this first pocket, right? Preferably at the high of the pocket, but if we only tag the low of the seller's pocket, cool. I may take the 3.5% and move on. Our next target is going to be at the second seller's pocket, either at the low or the high. At the high at $569 gives us around 15.93%. Okay. And let me get rid of this pocket all the way up here because price is not there yet. So I think that's it. We definitely need to be careful though. I mean, this market has made a very substantive run. Looks great, looks positive, but now we're at a crossroads to where the last time we saw the buyers hit, they didn't do it. They wasn't unable to take that amount of selling pressure and price drop. So this is our third or fourth opportunity to see Bitcoin Cash break that pocket. So if it doesn't break it, hey, you and I both know the reason why. So we won't be surprised. We won't question. We won't say, well, what's going on in the market? I thought you said the price was going to go up. Yes, that's our forecast. But I mean, if there's enough people willing to sell at that price, there's nothing that you and I both can do to alter the situation to make the change. So we just got to go with the flow. We know what we're up against. And right now we're up against a massive amount of selling pressure right here in between, what, 505 to like $530. Okay, so that's it for the moment. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.